what you got yourself into.
You guys have hats and jackets and all that. Good morning, guys. This morning we're going to a fruit sale for the kids at their school. I am the cashier. Can you believe that? I spent my whole life with numbers, and here I am volunteering. Well, the person that was supposed to do it got sick, so she asked me if I could fill in, and I said sure. I don't know if you guys know, but I do have a degree in accounting. When I was younger, I thought I wanted to do numbers, but as the older I got, the more I realized that number is personal to me and not for others. Like, I don't know. But then after that, they have to go because they have a mentoring program that they get ready to start. It's for an hour, and then this guy got to go to Walmart to get shoe. Guys, it's been such a hectic day. Oh, you got the stuff. Hubby brought me bra today, $33 from Walmart, and yeah, they're on clearance, so he bought me bra. It's been such a hectic day. I didn't bring the camera because the battery was dead. He cleaned out the garage though. So let's go for the reveal. You guys want to come out for the reveal? Let's see what he done did. Mia, you suggested we put the bikes on hooks, and that's exactly what he did. So here we go. Yeah, oh, it's cold. Oh, I don't think I want to. Okay. All right. Oh my gosh. So there go the bikes. All the bikes. Are those the bikes? All of those the bikes? Oh, yeah. Of course. Light. So he put the bikes over there, and both the cars fit with room. I thought you were gonna put your car next to the bikes situation.
No, but I figured this would
be for walking?
Yeah, your truck will come up here.
There's so much ice here where we live, it's ridiculous. Tomorrow's supposed to be negative. Oh, you put the ladder up too? Mm-hmm. There you go, guys. Yeah, so tomorrow is supposed to be negative. Negative how much, honey? It's windy here, like right now. -2. He anchored down the trampoline because we went to Lowe's and spent a pretty little fortune on anchors for the trampoline, because the last time we had a windstorm here, we had to legit take all the cars out the garage and put the trampoline in there just so it wouldn't go flying into our neighbor's house. So and it was like around midnight when we did that, so you're welcome. We're so thoughtful. I'm making baked chicken. I'm doing drumstick and mashed potato and vegetable, and I'm editing a video for you guys. Today is Sunday. The kids made a bit of money from the fruit sale at their school because they got tips. We were there for 2 hours because they had other obligations that they had to go to at 2. Then I took hubby to get work boots. He's gonna be reimbursed by his job for his shoe, and then he got me bra, and I think we only spent $6 outside of what his shoes cost. I'm getting ready to put, hold on, let me show you guys. I'm getting ready to put the chicken back in the oven and let it bake for a little bit. No, there's no taste. There's no I
can't taste?
No, there's no taste in, babe. Back off.
Taste test?
No, there's no taste test. Back off. This is not
Daddy, you went to disgusting Walmart? Went to disgusting Walmart?
So, and then after that, I have to finish up laundry. I think I might do laundry tomorrow. There's one load that needs to go in, but I think I'm gonna finish laundry. I'm not doing it today, not today. I have a ton of stuff to do.
It's fine, but it's just
and
the floor.
I don't want to overcook these potatoes. I haven't cooked mashed potatoes from scratch in a long time. Long time. Yes, honey. Eat. Maddie's new word these days is eat. She wants to eat. I made some homemade mashed potatoes. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
No,
I like
it's
to.
like this.
I
I like it.
Okay, you sing it. You sing it.
Apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
I like to eat chicken and bananas. I like to eat Rob and bananas. I like to eat Rob's banana. I like to eat Rob's banana. I like to eat. Okay, let's eat dinner. So dinner's done.
I like to eat.
I'm doing black beans and baked chicken, and I have to throw this back. It's warm. Just need to. All right, get your plate. Get the plates. Come on, let's mass feed some children.
Thank you.
Oh. What's the matter? Where's her bowl? Where's her bowl?
Where's the orange plate?
Where's the pink plate she had?
She had a pink or orange. It's over there. In front of the couch.
Say it with me, Maddie. I like to eat apples and bananas. Don't be mean. I like to eat apples and bananas. Here you go. What do you say? You're welcome.
Daddy, what is this? Jaxson, why are you trying to...
Okay, hold on. I think a spoon would make me feel like I'm sharing it out equally. Stop, could you stop doing that? There's a time and place for everything. You have to be able to differentiate when that time is, or when that time has come to an end. Jaxson, put your plate down. Flat.
I don't know what time to leave.
There should be enough mashed potato for a little boy. That's way than enough potato for a little girl.
It's plenty. Thank you.
But we're gonna have more than enough for seconds. Daddy? Destiny? Oh. Alright. Moving on. Guys, look at Leah's fork. I told everyone to get a fork. Look at that. No, you have to go sit at the table, baby. Come on. Come on down. Alright. Go. Keep going. Where's your chair? You don't know? Oh, you sit here, Leah.
Yeah.
You sit here. You sit here. This is your chair. It's messy just like you.
Oh, my chair, but...
Ready? There you go. Oh my gosh, guys. Can you believe it? A space for everyone to sit and eat. Finally. Thank you, buddy. Is it good?
Yes.
Yes? Is it good, boys?
Yes.
So, I'm getting ready to share out hubby's lunch for tomorrow because he does take lunch from home. So I'm about to share that out. Then we're gonna eat. And then I'm gonna go sit down and watch maybe a movie or two. No, just one. Before he has to go to bed. Kids don't have school tomorrow. So lunch videos won't, there won't be a lunch video for Monday. And I'm like 2 weeks behind in lunch videos. I feel like I'm drowning. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. This is gonna be a short vlog because my battery died and stuff, and I didn't. What are you cutting?
Trying to figure out.
Look, oh, I gotta give you a kiss. Come here, let me give you a kiss so people know that I love you. I love you. That's for the naysayers that believe or think that I don't love my husband, or I don't know. They always. The person said, "Go back through all your videos. You're always taking shot at him." I don't know. Weren't you just wearing this shirt in the video? Okay, I don't know. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.